world, I am Christopher Thomas from Anne's English Medium School, Meenangadi. I am very pleased to inform you that I am the fastest to solve the 3x3 Rubik's Cube. I am a student of grade 8 and I am 14 years old. And I am really lucky to have very encouraging parents because this is really hard to achieve and 21 seconds is actually an amazing time. And I started my QB journey ever since I was a little boy of 7 years old, and I would like to thank all the IBR officials who helped me guide through this amazing talent that I have. And also I had to learn 40 algorithms, more than 40 algorithms just to get here. And I also know how to solve the 2x2, 4x4 and the pyramids. And getting into the International Book of Records is my greatest dream. So this is really a dream come true to me. And I would like to thank the officials for giving me an opportunity to present myself to the world. Thank you. I'm going to scramble it now.